Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from Menards and MTH electric trains. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. New from Menards is their popular FP7 diesel locomotive in Pennsylvania Railroad colors. The twin-motored model comes with an easy-to-use wireless controller for speed, direction, horn, bell, and crew talk functions. The powered and dummy diesels are currently available online. Powered models are priced at $168.53, one per customer, before rebates, and non-powered models, also one per customer, are priced at $89.88 each before rebates. Also new from Menards is the bay window caboose in Pennsylvania Railroad colors. The model features interior illumination, alternating flashing red marker lights, and Menards' new die-cast metal sprung trucks with swing-type drawbar. These cabooses are priced at $29.99 each, or 4 for $99.96 before rebates. And continuing the Pennsylvania Railroad theme are these new 2-bay center flow covered hoppers from Menards. These 9 and 11/16 inch cars also feature Menards' new die-cast metal trucks and are individually numbered. The cars are priced at $34.99 each, or 4 for $114.99 before rebates. But wait, there's more! Menards has also introduced a new Pennsylvania Railroad color scheme on their classic scale 40-foot boxcar. These 11-inch cars are based on tooling that dates back to Auburn model trains in the 1950s and feature Menards' standard type die-cast metal trucks. These cars are priced at $24.99 each, or 4 for $84.96 before rebates. Menards has also released a new Sunoco service station. This fully assembled and decorated structure is a terrific rendering of a classic mid-century service station, featuring interior and exterior illumination, gas pumps, service bays, and 2 officially licensed Ford vehicles, a 1951 pickup and a 1948 panel truck. The service station is currently available online and is priced at $49.99 before rebates. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 Rail King O-Scale lighted billboards in Flexible Flyer, Los Pollos Hermanos, Carhartt, Pleasure Island, and Dr. Vinny Boombats versions this fall. These fully assembled and lighted billboards are pre-mounted on a base for easy placement anywhere on the layout. For those looking for a more prototypical look, the base can be quickly removed and the billboard legs can be easily inserted into soft styrofoam ground cover for a more realistic appearance. The 3 overhead lamps cast a soft glow on the bright and realistic-looking graphics and are sure to make any layout's dark scenes really pop. The lamps are powered by any AC or DC model railroad power supply or transformer using their accessory ports. The billboards will be available in extremely limited quantities and are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in December 2024, with a suggested retail price of $39.95 each. MTH Electric Trains will be producing an exclusive and limited production New York Central TOFC flat car with Winchester Arms pup trailers for Stockyard Express. These unique scale-length cars are expected to ship in October 2024 with an early order price of $80.95 each. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And a programming note, through the rest of July 2024, we will be publishing our long-format videos every other Saturday to allow time to pursue outdoor activities and family time. Episode number 191 is scheduled for publishing on July 6, 2024 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. The What's New in O-Gauge series will continue weekly publication every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern to provide you with new product information throughout the summer. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.